My name is Joy Green. My handle is at Joyfully Green. I am a digital content creator. I work in the lifestyle and home decor space. We started as just another mom looking for a creative escape, and I needed a place for myself to feel safe, to create again, to really connect on a deeper level. That's how Joyfully Green was born, and we've transitioned from just a baby blog to fashion, and now we're renovating our homes, we're decorating together, we're really growing our tribe and our nest together. Joyfully Green is a blog that women can come to feel good about themselves, to find inspiration, to get DIY ideas, to find decor tips. I truly believe that I build a connection with my audience. We love big transformations over here, but I truly believe the value of what we do is connecting with women who just want to find a little bit of joy in themselves. It's really about injecting a little bit of joy into what you do every day and noticing the small things. I really love bringing joy into everyday life. I've worked with IZEA since day one, and I found that their marketplace was just invaluable. The connection that I built with IZEA really catapulted me to where I am today.